I'm Nilesh from Mr. J's Period 6 class, and I'm going to go through problem 3.15, or problem 15 on circuits 3. So the problem asks to find the total resistance of the circuit and also to find the total current. So this is the picture of the circuit. As you can see, there are quite a few resistors on the series and parallel circuits. So in order to complete this problem, you got to break it down into the different components. So first, I'm going to take the 60 ohm resistor and the 40 ohm resistor, and since they're in parallel circuits, what you have to do is 1 over 60 plus 1 over 40, which gets you to 1 over 24 ohms. So you take the 24 ohms and put that in a new resistor, which is like the total resistor for that area. So now what you do is you can take this next part, which is the series. So you have a series of 125 ohms and 75 ohms, along with 24 ohms and 100 ohms here. So since in a series, all you have to do is add up the different R values. So you get 125 plus 75, which is right here, and you get 200 ohms. And on this side, it was 24 plus 100, gets you to 124 ohms. So now what you can do is also, you can look at this as a series. So you have 50 ohms, a resistor of 124 ohms, and a 5 ohm resistor of 120 ohms. So now what you can do is you can add up 50 plus 124 plus 120, which gets you to 294 ohms. So now basically you're left with 3 resistors. So clearly you see a parallel circuit right here. So you can do 1 over 200 plus 1 over 294, since they're in a parallel arrangement, and you get 119 ohms. And finally, you're left with one big series. So you have this leftover resistor of 70 ohms and this calculated resistor of 119 ohms. And since it's in a series, you can add them up to get 189 ohms. So that gets you to your answer of the total resistance in the circuit, which is 189 ohms. To find the total current, the formula is delta V over R. So we know that the battery is 24 volts, which is the numerator, and our total resistance is 189 ohms, which is the denominator. So we do 24 over 189, and that gets us our total current of 0.13 amperes. So that's how you do this problem. Good luck.